Hey everyone, today we've got a lot of projects to work in technical safety studies.
Right, we got HAZOP, HAZIN, HACK, QRE and SIL and Baute on the table.
Yeah, it's a lot to grasp. How are we going to learn all these studies?
Yeah, that's right. We need to find a one-stop learning hub that will save us time.
Yeah, but let's make sure it's hands-on, not just an executive.
Agreed, and the trainers will have to make us understand all the concepts.
Why stress over small things? Step-in Engineering offers 10 modules over 30 hours plus training. Sessions are offered at the weekend at your convenience and undoubtedly at lower price that is offered in the market. Step-in Engineering also offers certificates and internship to the trainees.
Sir, how to enroll in this exclusive program?
Engineering LinkedIn platform for registration and join WhatsApp group for further updates.